Welcome to the pitch of StratoLend network, cross-chain capital, Chainlink secure. We are working on solving the most important pain points of cross-chain lending in borrowing protocols. Now we will go through the problems that we are solving. According to our research, DeFi users face massive cross-chain barriers while 26 billion market explodes. What we have seen is that there is a growing market to around $252 billion, but here is the catch. Yet 85% of liquidity is trapped in single chain, with no better and best and secure cross-chain lending solutions, and users waste 40 to 60% of capital efficiency by reaching USDC across chains and maintaining lending positions across different networks. Now, the major institutions avoid crossing DeFi, but there is a catch again here also, with 32 billion revenue due to security gaps and operational complexity. We are using chaining account keys and zero knowledge proofs, maintaining this institutional level security. Now let's go. Here we have working on three pain points as earlier, now in a more formal way of fragmented liquidity across these institutional data adoption barriers and security vulnerabilities in cross-chain operations. Around these three solutions, what we have made ensure that it is a native cross-chain lending infrastructure and with the future adoption of multi-sig approvals for operational grade security and integrated ZK-powered Visa OS agent for the health factor monitoring and as well as a liquidation agent. Here is the chaining and some of the technologies that we have used, chaining CCRP, chaining price fees, as well as CCRP and responses, avalanche track and Elisa OS agent. Now we will go through how we have integrated chaining technologies into our contracts as well as backing as a service, starting with CCIP, price feeds, and so on. Starting from the collateral management contract, where the user will interact with the protocol by transferring their asset or depositing the asset into our protocol and borrow it as mock USDC through Avalanche Fuji chain. Send message. Here is the send message payable, the client, where the CCIP works and CCIP tokens, and the CCIP receiver on the borrow management part, seeing the borrow management part for sending the message, and as well as the receiver on the collateral management part, and sends the CCIP message to target chain, collateral management part, showing how both the contracts use CCIP pen tracking and there's a price feeds and price of consumer contract, and there's a Solana implementation on the server side using the CCIP scripts provided in the docs and used in making the server where the content interacts with it. So here is the implementation of depositing collateral in the form of wrapped ETH into the protocol and how the token approval is taken first and later on depositing it as a collateral into the protocol. And now the approval has been sent. The transaction has been confirmed. Now here is the implementation of the zero knowledge proofs depositing protocol as to the network and how the things are being proceeded. There you go. The wallet has been used for all the things and the approval has been sent. Once the approval has been sent, transaction has been confirmed. We are depositing it privately and the private deposit has been sent. Once the private deposit has been sent, the transaction has also been confirmed. Now here is the borrowing part of our protocol. How a user can borrow an amount of USDC for the wrapped ETH that they have deposited in the protocol and the health factor impact which has been shown here. And here you go, the wallet is being used for. Here is the implementation of the Solana CCIP into our protocol StratoLend network. So this CCIP as it takes time for the annuity part and all things. Yeah. So we will go to this how it will get finalized and so this and the transaction has been done. That will be reached the Ethereum my another wallet. Thank you so much.